What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. If you signed up for ZV-1 content, you're gonna love this video. Let's talk ZV-1 for just a couple of minutes. I've done some camera tests and some color grading in Resolve, so this ought to be a lot of fun. And we're on the side of a road. Yeah, I like to film in inappropriate locations, so that's just kind of what I do, all right? Yeah, you can see the full gamut right there. Gamut, that's a word that's gonna come up in this video. I love having new toys, and having one to play with is just awesome. Look at the clouds back there. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. So I got my camera here. Yep, it's in a Crown Royal bag. I think you can see that there. Yeah, there you go. I think Peter McKinnon would get me banned from YouTube if he ever saw this video, because that's my camera bag. But I've got the Sony ZV-1 here, and I wanted to do some testing, and I finally got some sun. See? Sun. Yeah. That mount is awful helpful, isn't it? So anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures and video with this bad boy hooked to this bad boy. Yeah, ooh, why do we call them bad boys? I don't even know, that's kind of a stupid thing. But it's just that easy. Just boop, and I'm ready to go. Unlock the remote, turn the camera on, and we're good. We're in intelligent auto mode here, and we're gonna shoot a photo after these cars go by. And then I'm gonna hit the function button and go down to aperture priority, which has my color grading profile in it, I guess. Take a photo there. So now I've taken a photo and it's in auto mode, and then I've taken another one almost exactly alike that's in Slog something or other. I'll put the stats on screen, but that allows me to color grade it in the future and give it style, and it gives you a ton more detail. It's what I'm always harping on with this color grading thing. Now that I've sort of figured it out, it's like you get so much more data out of this thing. And I know the mic's probably not the best, but let's shoot some video too. So this video is in Slog 2, I think, Gamut. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I gotta love it. And then if I flip around, I got my preview screen off to the side, but I'm looking at the lens. How's the lighting? Doesn't that look cool? And then when I come back here, now I'm in the shade, but I can still pull detail out of that. Lens has a little dust on it. I should clean that. Hey, there we go. Now the lens is clean. But, I mean, this is how you're supposed to light stuff, with the sun behind the camera facing the subject. And I am the subject, look at me. And now we're in intelligent auto mode. So this is what the Sony sees. This is what it thinks I should see in my footage. What do you think? And we're gonna turn around, because you're not supposed to do this, but I've now put myself in shadow. See, I'm a lot darker. The sun's behind me. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to have the sun behind the camera, like I mentioned before. And I keep looking at the preview screen, but hey, look at that. Pretty neat, huh? Now let's get some more photos. So one of the first things I've noticed about this camera is, out of the box, it takes a fantastic picture and a fantastic video. I shot a picture the other day of some Lego that I was building just as a test. It was a macro test. And I shot it with all intentions to edit it in Davinci Resolve. So I did that. And then I realized that the room temperature was very warm. So the lighting was very orangey, yellow, and that just wreaked havoc with the end product. So I took it in auto, and then I bumped the contrast up a little bit, and I took the temperature minus 1700, and it looked what in my head the Lego should look like, because they have very distinct, bold colors. And I think that was pretty cool. Something else I didn't realize about this camera, it's got a touch screen. Yeah, the preview screen is a touch screen. How cool is that? And I use it for tracking focus. So you can just tap on something on the screen and it will focus on whatever you tapped, and then it'll track that as you move the camera around, which I think is really freaking cool. Yeah, and I turned on the background defocus. It's a custom button on there that is pretty neat, right? Isn't that neat? That looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful shot. Except I'm in the shadows. There we go. That's better. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go. So I hope you like this this little short, quick testing video showing off a couple of features of the ZV-1. Yeah, I've got a lot more to test on this thing, and it's gonna be a lot of fun over the winter to play around with it. But so far, I'm really liking the auto mode, and I've been able to do some color correction in Davinci Resolve. So if you wanna see tips and tricks on that, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, you know, if there's something you wanna know about this camera, go ahead and ask in the comments, all right? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. In the meantime, you can watch my ZV-1 first video. Yeah, I don't know what to call it. It's a first impressions. Bye.